Well, somebody came through, got the trees out of the road, and kind of made a little path. So we're gonna try to make it through the tunnel. I'm very low on LP. Since I have no power, I can't get water. I know I'm low on water. Here goes nothing. Here is my driveway. All right, now here we go. I'm extremely nervous about driving underneath this. I don't want anything to fall on us. You can see there's just trees everywhere. Somebody drove through here. Probably scratching the hell out of my truck right now. I don't know why I ducked, but I ducked. All right, almost to the end, almost to the end. Come on, baby, let's go. Swerve under it. Rusty, buddy. It's okay. Get me out of here. We're almost to the end. Almost to the end. God, this is scary. Holy, look at all those trees. Good Lord. All right, there is my gate. Just get me through this little piece. Oh my God, look at this. Trees down here. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, someone made a path. All right, we are out to the road. And I'm gonna fly like you know what to get back home to get this done and over with.